I'm the CEO of Dongguan Insertion Machinery. Welcome to Dongguan Insertion Machinery. We are the supplier of the bending punching solution system. Today I will introduce our factory. We supply the different solution including the bending solution, insertion solution, and the laser solution. And the bending solution including press brake and panel bender. The panel bender is like Savanini. The press brake, we supply the high quality servo press brake. So we can supply from 30 tons, 40 tons, and 100 tons servo press brake. Here is our production workshop of the servo press brake. We call it the EP series. EPE is electrical press brake. So we do the standard color is red and black. We call it panel bender assembly. The advantage of panel bender, you can see this is a very heavy inner the rail, and especially the frame is very strong. The motors is our generation. We do ourselves. Here is our features. I think most of the people, if you see this machine, it looks like a hydraulic machine. So the hydraulic machines has the linear encoder. So we have the similar structure, the frame. For example, here we put the linear encoder. But the key components we call it bearing box. The bearing box, one side has 4 bearings. This is like a flower. We call it, this is Z1, Z2. This is R axis, and the rear side we call it X axis. Now I introduce our new generation. We call it panel bender. So this panel bender we can bending 1,500 millimeters machines. This is our assembly area.